Hello everyone, welcome to a Tahiti Dance class with me, teacher Bea. Today is our day 2 of our 4 days workout. For my newbies, don't forget to subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. So now we are going to start with our warm-up. Ready? And step. Just keep going like this. Make big steps, hands. Breathe. Clap. Give me nice claps here. And switch. Clap again. Up. There you go. Stay. Sway those hips. Hands. Scoop to the front. Squeeze those abdominals. There you go. Make a circle. And reverse the other side. Push those hips. Come on, give me nice big rounds. You got this. And reverse. Very good. And twist. Go in the corners. Come on, give me those nice twists. And sway. Push to the front. Squeeze. A few more. Make a big circle. And reverse. Awesome. Twist those hips. Keep those arms up, even if it's burning a little. And roll. Very good. Ready? And we roll the hips. I want you to roll a little bit faster. Go and roll a roll. And sway. Few more. And inhale. Exhale. Great. Let's go for our fast cardio. Ready? 1 foot forward. And you're going to roll as fast as you can. Okay? You don't stop for just 45 seconds. Keep your upper body still. And switch. Can you please roll faster? Come on, let's go. And center. Come on, push, push, push. Almost there. I know it's getting hot here, but you can do this. And open. Keep rolling those hips. Faster. Give me those circles. Almost there. One more round. And good. I'm proud of you. So now we are going to learn our choreography. Inhale. And exhale. Just breathe in and breathe out. Ready? We start here. Point your right foot, left foot. Go this side and roll. Big circles. Switch left foot, right foot. Hands up and roll big circles. Great. Kiss. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. One last time and turning. Awesome. Repeat. Roll and push. Left foot, right foot. Roll those hips. You got this. 2 steps. One last time. Turning. Stay here, roll fast. Switch, roll, roll, roll. Sway to the right. Clap. Roll those hips 4 times. Twist left, twist right. And tiptoes turning. Go low and push up. Great. Again, roll those hips. Very good. Sway right 4 times. Clap. Give me a nice clap. Rolling. And twist. Big twist. Tiptoes, shake those hips. And go down. Awesome. Stay here. We are going to go forward. Ready? And we sway the hips. Right hip, left hip, right hip. Stay. Twist, go low and go up. We go back, right, left, stay. Stay here. Roll super fast as you can. Hold your body still. And we repeat. Right, left, right, left. Twist down, twist up. Go back, right, left, turning to the right, face to the back and roll those hips super fast. Roll those hips fast. Keep going and face forward again. Ready? Step to the right, to the left, stay, open, roll to the left. Step to the left, step to the right, stay, right foot front and roll to the right. Make a circle. Stay here, sway, right, left, and return. Very good. Stay here and we repeat this move. Roll the hips fast, rolling, sway to the right, clap, stay and roll, twist those hips big and wide, and turning tiptoes. You know that drill already. Repeat again. Come on, give me those big fast circles. Sway, clap, big clap, rolling, and sway right, left. Awesome. Tiptoes. Very good. Step, one last time, clap, and stay and sway those hips. There you go. Stay here, roll those hips. Great. Step touch, right, left, and clap. Give me nice claps here. Yes. Turning to the right and pose. Awesome. So that was your choreography. Let's repeat everything again. Inhale, exhale, and let's go. Ready? Right foot front, left foot. Lean to the right, big circles. And we switch. Left foot, right foot, lean to the left, make big circles. From here, 2 steps to the right and switch. One last time and turn. Very good. Are you ready? One more time. You know the drills now. Great. 2 steps to the right. And turning. Awesome. Stay here, roll fast. Sway to the right. Big clap. Stay here, roll fast. Twist to the left. And tiptoes. Lean down and up. One last time, same thing. Make sure to push those hips. Make sure to follow those hands motions. Awesome. Lean down and up. Great. Are you ready? And we go front, 2, 3, 4. Stay deep down, twist. Back, 2, 3, 4. And turning. Stay here, don't move. Roll those hips as fast as you can. There you go. And we go. Step to the right, step to the left. Stay. roll to your left. Step to the left, step to the right. Stay, roll to your right. Stay, sway the hips here, turning. Yes, and go fast, roll fast. Right, right, clap. Roll those hips, twist to the left, and turning. Great. Stay here one more time. Repeat. Make sure to extend your arms. Make sure to push those hips so you have a great workout. Awesome. And stay ready, and we do step touch and clap. Give me nice claps here. Yes. Sway those hips and roll as fast as you can. One last time. Ready? Step touch and clap. Awesome. Turning and pose. You did it. Well done. So now we are going to do our dance with the song, with the music on. Are you ready? Let's go. From here, go down and point. Yes, you did the round 1. Let's go for round 2 again. Ready? Down, up.
Tahiti の大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてあひめねてぺへの大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてあひめねてぺへの大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてぷていてばふてとえれえてぷていてばふてとえれえてぷ
Well done on the round 2. One last round for today. Let's go.
メアネヘネおといていあるいえメアネヘネおといていぼあばえたとばあとあいあむいまいでいえたまとひめねあろはメアネヘネおといていあるいえメアネヘネおといていぼあばえたとばあとあいあむいまいでいえたまとひめねあろはあひめねてぺへの大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてぷあひめねてぺへの大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてぷ大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてあひめねてぺへの大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてあひめねてぺへの大地あおりてたもれの大地ていてばふてとえれえてぷていてばふてとえれえてぷていてばふてとえれえてぷ
Yes, you did it. Tell me in the comments how it was for you, and you have more links below as well, okay? Stay awesome and see you for our next class. Bye.